Automotive is growing at an accelerated pace. The demand for self-driving cars and advanced driver assistance systems is predicted to triple sales of automotive electronics over the next 5 to 10 years. Demands in the automotive market are driving suppliers to support a broad range of products, commit to consistent quality, and zero defects. Amkor is the #1 automotive OSAT with annual automotive revenues of $1 billion and growing. Our stable 50-year history makes us an ideal supply partner. Amkor has the global scale to handle tremendous volume, with 8 manufacturing locations spread across the globe. In pursuing our never-ending goal of zero defects, Amkor applies significant automation and robotic capabilities, including highly automated lines and continuous improvement programs. We are passionate about developing state-of-the-art solutions so we can provide the latest technology to our customers. In fact, we developed 40 different automotive-qualified package families. As the leading automotive OSAT, Amkor utilizes comprehensive manufacturing process management, applying vital controls to production. For both inline and end-of-line, we intelligently monitor manufacturing and continuously test product reliability. With a broad product portfolio and manufacturing footprint, plus decades of automotive experience, Amkor enables packaging success for our automotive customers, now and for decades to come.